We got here a little bit early, so we decided to try fishing.
Oh, did you get on video?
Yes!
What the fuck was that? Oh!
He's going up.
Hey, Danny, you might want to take over.
No way.
Oh,
Is it coming? Look at this guy. Yeah, we're snaked.
Oh! Well, that sucked. But
God damn, man.
that was a heck of a fish, wherever he might be.
So I